The John Deere X9-1100 is an incredible corn harvesting machine that combines power, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology to revolutionize the corn harvesting industry. With its advanced design and superior operating capabilities, the X9-1100 is not just a machine, it's an optimal solution for modern farmers. Outstanding power. Equipped with a powerful engine, the X9-1100 is ready to face the biggest challenges in the field. Powerful operation helps the machine operate efficiently even in difficult conditions, ensuring maximum harvesting productivity. Incredible efficiency. The X9-1100 is not only powerful, but also extremely efficient. The advanced harvesting system helps the machine operate quickly and accurately, minimizing the time and effort required for harvesting. This helps farmers save costs and optimize profits. Advanced technology. John Deere has always been known for applying the latest technology to its products, and the X9-1100 is no exception. The machine is equipped with an intelligent control system, allowing operators to easily control and monitor the harvesting process. In addition, the machine also has automation features that help increase efficiency and minimize errors. Smart design. The X9-1100 is not only powerful and efficient, but also intelligently designed. The spacious and comfortable cab helps operators feel comfortable even when working for long periods. The Case IH 9250 Axial is a powerful and efficient corn harvesting machine, designed to meet the needs of large farms and harvesting contractors. With an engine capacity of up to 550 horsepower, the 9250 Axial can operate continuously for many hours without any problems. The machine's advanced harvesting system helps minimize losses during harvesting and significantly increases productivity. One of the outstanding advantages of the Case IH 9250 Axial is the axial flow system, which helps process and separate corn kernels quickly and efficiently. This system includes a large rotor and specially designed blades, which help crush and separate corn kernels gently, minimizing damage and losses. In addition, the Case IH 9250 Axial is also equipped with many other modern features, such as an automatic steering system, an intelligent monitoring and control system, which helps the operator easily control and monitor the operation of the machine. The machine's cabin is designed to be spacious and comfortable, with all the amenities for the operator to work efficiently throughout the shift. Welcome to the New Holland CR 8.90 twin-rotor corn harvester, a masterpiece of technology from the world's leading brand, New Holland. With its unique twin-rotor system, the CR 8.90 delivers superior harvesting performance, minimizes losses, and increases productivity. The powerful engine, intelligent control system, and optimized design enable the machine to operate efficiently on all types of terrain. The CR 8.90 is not just a machine, it's a reliable partner, bringing success to every harvest season. Join New Holland CR 8.90 twin rotor in conquering new heights in agriculture. Imagine the massive, powerful Class 8600 Lection Terra corn harvester entering the vast cornfield. With advanced technology, the Lection Terra 8600 is not just a corn harvester, but a versatile machine, undertaking a series of complex tasks. First, the machine's sharp cutting system gently cuts the tall corn stalks, then feeds them into the crushing chamber. Here, the corn cobs are separated from the stalks quickly and efficiently. Next, the modern sieving and cleaning system removes all impurities, leaving only the golden, high-quality corn kernels. Thanks to Terra Track technology, the Lection 8600 can move easily on all types of terrain, from flat plains to rugged hills. The intelligent suspension system helps the machine operate smoothly, minimizing vibration, ensuring productivity and harvest quality. With a huge tank, the Lection 8600 can hold a large amount of corn, saving time and transportation effort. When the tank is full, the automatic unloading system will quickly pour the corn into the truck, so the machine can continue the harvesting work. In the world of modern agriculture, efficient and rapid corn harvesting is a key factor to ensure yield and profitability for farmers. And to meet that demand, AGCO has launched the Fendt Ideal 9T corn harvester, a powerful and advanced machine that offers optimal solutions for corn harvesting. The Fendt Ideal 9T is not just an ordinary corn harvester, but also a symbol of the perfect combination of advanced technology and superior performance. With a powerful engine, a modern harvesting system and flexible operation, this machine can easily cope with all terrain conditions and types of crops. One of the highlights of the Fendt Ideal 9T is the Helix dual rotor harvesting system, which increases harvesting speed and minimizes losses. This system not only ensures high productivity, but also keeps the corn kernels intact, without breaking, thereby improving product quality. Not only stopping at performance, the Fendt Ideal 9T is also designed to provide comfort and convenience for operators. The spacious cabin, intelligent control system and comprehensive visibility help the driver easily control and monitor the harvesting process. In addition, the Fendt Ideal 9T is also equipped with an intelligent data management system, allowing users to monitor and analyze harvesting parameters, thereby making optimal decisions to improve production efficiency. The OXBO 9630 corn harvester is more than just a machine, it's a symbol of progress in modern agriculture. On vast cornfields, this machine operates like a professional dancer, graceful and powerful. As dawn breaks, the OXBO 9630 is ready for a productive day. With its sharp cutting blades, the machine gently shaves the straight rows of corn, the tall corn stalks falling down like bodybuilders. Next, the machine's intelligent conveyor system collects the cut corn stalks and transfers them to the crushing chamber. Here, they are crushed into small pieces, creating a valuable green fodder source for livestock. Meanwhile, the corn harvesting head operates independently, separating the plump corn cobs from the stalks. They are transported by conveyor belt into the machine's massive holding tank. The OXBO 9630 not only harvests corn quickly but also ensures the quality of the product. The machine's sieving and cleaning system removes impurities such as leaves, husks and dirt, producing clean and high-quality corn kernels. With its holding tank full, the OXBO 9630 moves to the gathering point. Here, the corn is transferred to trucks for transport to processing plants or storage facilities. The process of harvesting corn with the OXBO 9630 takes place continuously and efficiently, saving farmers time and effort. This machine is not just a tool, but also a reliable companion for them in the field. Thanks to the OXBO 9630, corn harvesting yields have increased significantly, meeting the growing demands of the market. At the same time, corn quality has also improved, bringing benefits to consumers. The OXBO 9630 is a testament to the development of Vietnam's agricultural sector. It is a symbol of innovation, creativity, and the desire to reach new heights. The process of harvesting corn with the Kloss Jaguar 4000 corn harvester. The Kloss Jaguar 4000 is a powerful and efficient corn harvester designed to meet the needs of large farms and service contractors. With advanced technology and superior performance, the Jaguar 4000 optimizes the corn harvesting process, saving time and costs for users. Main parts of the machine. Cutting head asterisk. Row crop header collects and cuts corn stalks into short pieces. Maize header collects and cuts the entire corn plant, including the stalk, leaves, and cob. Feeding system transports the cut corn into the threshing chamber. Threshing chamber threshes the corn stalks into smaller pieces, creating silage or material for other purposes. Discharge system blows the silage or threshed material into a vehicle or storage. Control system controls and monitors the operation of the machine. Harvesting process. Preparation. Check and maintain the machine before operation. Select the appropriate cutting head for the type of corn and harvesting purpose. Set the operating parameters of the machine, such as cutting speed, cutting length, and discharge flow rate. Harvesting. The machine moves across the field, the cutting head collects and cuts the corn stalks. The feeding system transports the corn into the threshing chamber. The threshing chamber threshes the corn stalks into small pieces. The discharge system blows the silage or threshed material into a vehicle or storage. Completion. Clean the machine after use. Maintain and service the machine regularly to ensure good operation. Advantages of the Kloss Jaguar 4000 corn harvester. High performance, the machine can harvest a large amount of corn in a short time. Good harvest quality, the machine cuts and threshes corn evenly, ensuring the quality of silage or material. High durability, the machine is made of high-quality materials, with a long lifespan. Easy to use and maintain, the machine has a simple control system, easy to operate and maintain. Conclusion. The Kloss Jaguar 4000 is an ideal solution for efficient and cost-effective corn harvesting. With its outstanding advantages, this machine has become a reliable companion for many farms and service contractors around the world. Hope this article has provided you with useful information about the corn harvesting process with the Kloss Jaguar 4000 corn harvester. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.